In this video, I'll show you how to automate lead scoring in HubSpot using workflows. Start by signing into your HubSpot account. From the dashboard, click Automation, then select Workflows. Next, click Create Workflow and choose from scratch. Select a contact-based workflow, then click Next. After that, give your workflow a name so you can easily identify it later. Now click Set Up Triggers and choose the enrollment criteria for the contacts you want to score. For example, you can enroll contacts based on form submissions, page views, lifecycle stage, or other contact properties. Next, click the plus icon to add an action, then select Edit Record. After that, choose the lead score property you want to update, such as HubSpot score or your own custom score property. Now configure the action to increase or decrease the lead score based on your business rules. For example, you can add points when a contact submits a form, visits a pricing page, or opens a marketing email. Next, continue adding actions and if/then branches to assign different scores for different behaviors and engagement levels. After that, click Review and Publish to check your workflow settings, then click Turn On to activate the automation. Finally, test the workflow by completing one of the enrollment actions and verify that the contact's lead score updates automatically in the contact record. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to automate lead scoring in HubSpot using workflows. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.